Abusua de ekoso e wo hono maye hu ya ayese Chinese ni bay. Nani afechire ne ho a oye de obiye bia se de beya obetumi atwi eye emokoi. Lady ni kunu eye Ghana ni a wakire eye maami one ne bay. Banku ani mokudie mu ye pa sesi amene mo kasei. Banku ni mokudie abetre eye Chinese ni bay ni ne bay. Abetre wo mosi ase ye pa. Anya asem ketewa eye lady ni ne bay. Omo entoto banku ni moku ase ewo efia omotimu no. Lady ankasa enya adaje atenase aka ne banku achinchinam eguso ana siesie no mokotwie ana otwi ade aka ho na watenase edi naduane no sede eye Chinese fo titiru ene omoma no omasi abeje Ghana asom se twetwe no ebusua enye asem ketwa. Lady oda ho no ma yehu ne die ono de ose Ghana eye heaven kra ema no totally wasanse se Ghana eye heaven ma no na yeni kan enhwe eye lady a nani afechiri ne ho ya o twi ne moko adi ne banku yi baabia ne moko twi bekwa akosi ene se do be se di banku na fa na afi other video so aka ka ho ne no so no yen hwe nto aso.
Put the tapoli in the ayo. Then first put the pepper.
We don't need to chop?
Nah, this put it. Anya put all the pepper. If it's too big, you can chop it. Huh?
No. Korean. Caesar. Other country don't use scissors, right?
Right. In Ghana, we don't use scissors. We use knife.
Only Korean.
If you want to get it easily, then you put the salt on it. Choconto. Oh, it's okay. Ground it. Green and spicy pepper. Ground it. If you marry Ghanaian, you can do this, then you have to divorce. Good boy, huh? Wow, you did well. Oh yeah. It's your first time, right? But you tried it before. Ground it, let it be fickle. Ah yeah, the way he was doing it was the best. Your hands up.
Are you okay?
Can you do it well or?
Go, grip it. It's not comfortable. Maybe because
It's small?
I do my nails.
Hold it like this.
Yeah, okay.
Hold it like this.
Look at my nails around it.
Then hold it like this.
Okay?
Yeah. Oh.
Then the I'm going to okay, we go
Oh my god. Don't fail over. I'm gonna show to all the Ghanaian ladies that you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Ghana.
Hi.
No, call it with a knife, please.
This one?
Chop it small. So, what do you got?
Okay.
So, it will be easy for you to, mash it. No man, it's all you go half. Right. Keep the balance up. You can chop it little small.
More?
So, it will be easy to ground it, okay? Let's go. Go to this one to his heart.
Yeah, I'm not start.
You not started? Oh my god. That's an apology. That's an apology. Go man. Pull it back inside. This one, if you hit it, it's gonna split on you. So you have to do it like. You got it? You got it. Forget about it. Look at the camera and ask me, are you doing well or not?
Do well.
She's tired.
I'm doing well.
Really?
Well done.
Let's see.
They said,
No,
I heard it.
they're gonna rate you. You have to try if the salt is okay or not.
Really?
Taste it. And just taste it. Let's see if the salt is okay.
It's pretty good, Boba.
Secondo.
Actually, I didn't grind it all.
Pull it. Then grind it. It's spicy, right? This one is good for the cold. Okay, tomato man head. Just grind it. That one is it tomato or ginger?
Tomato.
No,
Tomato.
pull it. Need help? Huh? Are you sure?
Okay, come on.
Yeah, man.
I'll finish tomorrow.
You finish it tomorrow?
Oh.
Can you bring the shit up?
What?
Can you bring the shit up from the fridge? Pull it right here. Let's go.
Asa! 재밌었어? 뭐야?
엄마한테 가봐. 엄마는 뭐 해? 물어봐.
자, 땡겨! 옳지. 뭐 하는 거야? 아빠 만나간 거야. 좀 반복해줘. 왜?
Huh? Yeah, it's split if you finish laundry. I told you to don't hit it.
이거 봐, 어디야, 이거 뭐야?
But you 할수 있어요? Can you do it? Are you sure? Come and do it. Let's see. Come and do it. Oma cannot do it well. Adepa can do it well. Okay, do it. Let's see. Do it. Adepa can do it. Do it. Inside. Yeah, put your strength on it. Do one go. Oh, Adepa 잘하네. Wow, Adepa, good job. Do it well. You finish? Hey. Why? Oh, these two girls are good. Adepa 잘했어. 아니야. 우리 엄마는 잘하고 있어. 야, 뭐? 먹고 싶었어. Orange? You wanna eat orange? You think?
수건이 없었어?
Ghana is heaven to me, honestly speaking. Ghana is heaven to allergy. And this time, I want to thank GCB Bank. You see, I always see Ghanaians are full of compassion, full of patriotism for the country. GCB Bank, when I invited the big boss to our factory, they say what I've been doing for Ghana because I've been employing around 1,000 Ghanaians. These people, they are not laborers. I call them, they are skilled workers.
It's my mom made the meal that I've been craving for this whole time. My mom made the meal I've been craving for. She made ampesie and beef stew. And I know she fried that beef in that stew. I know I heard that beef sizzling from down here. Ooh, look what we got cooking.
I was burning my arms off. I almost called 911.
Well, I'm hungry. Can I have some? Can I get me some?
Are you not eating this food? Are you not eating this food?
I know, but we have to wait for the ampesie to finish. And I would like a cube.
Girl, all your yapping. You know something though? I forgot to make broccoli, so
That's okay.
no veggies today. Anyway, your dinner
Thank you.
is ready.
And it has a little egg. We got some boiled plantains. We got some stew with some fried beef in it. My favorite, by the way. And it has some little bones that I'm gonna suck on later.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ!
And then
Olivia.
I have my little egg.
This is a Ghanaian household.
Yes.
You have no choice
must
but to
have
eat
it.
eggs. Yes.
So good together.
All right, chop time.
No friend.
Chop time.
No friend.
Okay, I added some salt.
But by His grace, we chase success and lost sight of the one who gave it. We built walls.
No, it
we
is.
cried,
No, it gives, man.
and God tore them down
I can taste all the spices.
instead. Now we stand, brothers under one God, different tongues,
It's spicy.
different tribes.
It's very spicy. And not very spicy, but spicy.
Yoruba,
Growing up, this is how your parents would feed you. The rice, so that you can eat a lot in a small bowl.
because heaven doesn't speak tribe.
This is kosher.
Heaven speaks truth.
Kosher. And you do the rest.
Diba, bol? Fufu. Kimsa. Fufu sudah tak perlu. Bukan dia. Bukan. Aku dah. Baru tahu tu dah. Fufu.